The main features that you'll use to navigate in Borealis are the blue navigation ribbon, which lets you move between modules and registers, the Create button, which allows you to add records, the Search field, the Project Dropdown menu, the Find Support button, the Activity icon, and your Profile menu. Let's start with the blue navigation ribbon on the left side of the screen. Each icon in the ribbon represents a different module or section in Borealis. You might not see all of these. It depends on which modules have been configured for your organization. Most users will have the Stakeholder Engagement module, which is represented by two people with a chat bubble over their heads. When you click on this icon, you'll see additional options, such as the Individuals and Organizations registers. The star icon is the Bookmarks section, where you can save records and pages that you consult regularly. You can add anything you want to this section: a stakeholder, a list of organizations, a widget, you name it. Just go to the page you want to bookmark and click on the star icon. To the right of the navigation bar, you'll see a green Create button. From here, you can quickly enter a new communication, individual, organization, or task. You can also create many other types of records by choosing an option from the drop-down menu. Next to the Create button, you'll find the Search function, which you can use to look for any kind of information in the system. For example, you can directly search for a stakeholder, like Doreen Smith, by name. You can even limit your search to specific sections of the software. If you're looking for an organization, you can just click on Organization. Then when you type Government, you can see the local government organization pops up in the search menu. Choosing a specific section also lets you access the advanced search, where you can narrow your search down even more. For example, you could search for communications of a particular type, like workshop. In the right section of the navigation bar, you may see the Project drop-down menu. This might not be enabled for your organization, but if you can see it, just know that it lets you navigate through segregated data. This is a way to organize data in the system. If you don't want people to see certain things, you can segregate data by project and then grant access as needed. For example, if we click on WEF 2022, now you can see a different list of individuals. The question mark icon is a link to our Helpcenter, which contains a lot of useful information. Articles are grouped by module, then further broken down into important features and add-ons. If you're new to Borealis, we recommend you begin with the Getting Started section. If you don't find what you're looking for in the Help Center, you can also submit a request to the Help Desk. Just click on the Submit a Request button in the top right corner and fill out the short form to let us know what you need. To the right of the question mark, you'll find the Activity icon. Clicking on it will show you your recent activities in the application. And finally, at the far right of the top navigation bar, you'll find your User Profile button. Here you'll find a few options, such as View Profile, Email Integration, and Log Out. As part of your day-to-day work, you probably exchange a lot of emails with your stakeholders. Documenting all those interactions manually can take a lot of time, and it's easy to fall behind. That's why we created Email Integration. By simply adding the email alias in the CC field, your emails will be automatically saved in Borealis when you send them. You can then edit these communications to add more information if you need to. Even better, if you're using Outlook, we recommend you download the Outlook add-in from the email integration window. The Outlook add-in appears as a pane in the right side of your Outlook window. From this interface, you have the option to complete several fields, such as project and engagement plan, so that emails are automatically classified in Borealis. You can keep the pane open by clicking the pin icon at the top right corner. That way, every time you open Outlook, it will be open and ready to go. Now you're ready to start entering information in Borealis. Let's start with this simple exercise. Find a communication you had with a stakeholder, use the email alias or the Outlook add-in to send it to Borealis, view the record in Borealis. See how easy that was? Don't forget that if you have any questions, you can visit our Help Center, where you'll find other introductory videos like this one, or write to the Help Desk if you find any issues.